And we are back here again at Invitec Films. This time, pag-uusapan naman natin tong LC300. Every man's dream. Diba? Land Cruiser.
Our Sea Lion 6 and this LC300 are protected by Invitec, PPF, and graphene coating.
Before we proceed, I just want to thank my kumpare who wants to remain anonymous for allowing me to to review this. Pare, thank you okay, so actually halos kasabay ito ng SL6 natin na PPF dito sa Invitec. So matagal ko nang gustong makapag-review ng Land Cruiser 300 kasi sino ba naman ang ayaw, di ba? Like I said, it's every man's dream. Ito yung tipong panahon na ngayon ng EV, you know me, di ba? Parang gusto ko ang EV, I like new technology, pero Land Cruiser, let's put that aside muna. So, naalala ko ang pinaka gusto ko noon, or I mean, the Land Cruiser model na nakita ko noon back in college, around mapapansin na naman yung age ko. Around 1996 to 98. Ayun. Yung model na yon, di ko lang, mamaya magre-research ako, ilalagay ko dyan sa screen, nakalimutan ko anong model. So anyway, eto, tapos na to ma-PPF, curing time na lang. Alright? Pero today, pag-uusapan natin, not just about the PPF, but the features of this Toyota Land Cruiser. This is the ZX. Ito yung top of the line variant.
While the previous LC200 were available in both petrol and diesel engines, the Philippine LC300 is available in diesel engine only. There are two variants, the ZX, which is what we have here right now, and the VX. Both variants have the same V6 direct injection 24-valve double overhead cam twin-turbo diesel engine capable of producing 700 Nm of torque with 10-speed automatic transmission. This higher grade ZX is priced at 5,747,000 Philippine pesos, while the VX is priced at 5,405,000 Philippine pesos. Add 15,000 pesos if you want the white pearl color. Both variants have 4x4 drivetrain, but this CX has center and rear differential locks with torque sensing LSD or limited slip differential. Double wishbone suspension in front and multi-link at the rear with adaptive variable suspension systems. For me, this is what you really pay for in a Land Cruiser, the sophisticated suspension system. In terms of safety and security, both variants have the Toyota Safety Sense, which means they have pre-collision system, automatic high beam, lane tracing assist, and dynamic radar cruise control. They are also equipped with the usual list of blind spot monitor, ABS, stability and traction control, hill start and downhill assist. But the most interesting part for me is the crawl control, multi-terrain select, and turn assist.
Okay guys, silipin naman natin yung engine bay nitong LC300. Twin turbo, no? V6 diesel. Unang nakapansin sa akin itong dalawang parang malaking packets dito. I'm guessing battery yan. So tingnan natin kung ano nasa loob. Oh, okay. So nandito yung ABS module, ABS system, anti-lock brake system, tapos andito yung brake fluid. Iba yung itsura nung ano niya, no, nung vacuum. Wala akong nakikitang yung usual na booster, yung malaking bilog sa likod niya. Iba yung sistema niya. Ayan, meron akong nakikitang cylinder. And malaking cylinder, Tapos, well, andun pa rin yung master, yung typical na master. Pero, iba yung system niya. Electronic. So, anyway, huwag natin masyadong pakialaman yan. Sinilip lang natin. Ito, this is what? Relay switch. Air filter box. May horn dito. I think this is for the alarm. And then, andito yung ECU. Sorry guys nag-enjoy ako tingnan yung engine bay. Skip forward yun na lang kung nabobore kayo. Pero ako, I wanna have my time. Land Cruiser to So, andito yung malaking radiator. And here's the fan. Yung fan niya is not clutch type. Oh, is it? Yeah, clutch type. So, ayun, naka-connect sa engine. So, yung position ng engine natin is May isang viewer tayo na tinuruan ako. Naka-longitudinal. Did I say it right? Kasi dati sinasabi ko lang naka-vertical or naka-horizontal. So, di ba? Natututo din tayo sa mga viewers. Basta maayos magsabi. So, yeah. Clutch fan. And then, andito, washer fluid, wiper washer fluid. And here, obviously, is your coolant. Ang taas, ang laki ng engine bay. Mas malaki pa to dun sa Everest, obviously. And ano to? Oh, so may power steering fluid. So, hindi pa siya electronic. Another relay fuse box. And another relay fuse box. And ano to? Harness going to... Di ko sure kung saan to. Mukhang sa turbo to eh. And then, ito yung curious akong isa. Mukhang ito ang battery. Ayan. There you go. Andun yung battery niya. Nakatago doon. Ang laki pa ng space, oh. So, nice. Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang meron dito? Naku-curious talaga ako eh. Ngayon ako nakapagbukas ng engine bay ng LC300. Ang linis. Ang well-organized yung engine bay, ano? At least meron mga ibang parts na exposed, unlike other brands, typical mga mga European, mga American brands. Balot na balot. Yung ibang Chinese brands din na nabuksan natin, balot na balot, halos wala ka na makita. I'm talking about yung mga ICE lang, hindi yung EV. Kasi EV, obviously, wala ka talaga makikita dyan. Very satisfying sa mata ko. Sige, tama na. Baka nabobore na kayo. Doon naman tayo sa loob. Here's the key fob. So, meron tayo ditong 1, 2, 3 buttons. The Toyota logo is not clickable. At the back, you have a Land Cruiser emblem here. And so, yeah, let's try to lock. Ayan, nag-flash yung signal light. And then the side mirror folded. If we press unlock, another flash, and then the side mirror unfolds. And then ito, testingin natin sa likod. So to open the trunk, press unlock first, and then press and hold. Oh, there you go. Nice. And then press and hold again to close it. Cut. And then at the back, meron ka pa ring physical key. Ayan. Okay? Okay, bago tayo pumasok, napansin ko, meron pala ditong courtesy lamp. Ayan, ah. So, kapag kagabi, may guide ka dito before you step in. Okay, let's get inside. Nice gray leather. Leather siya all the way from the window sill down here. Leather. Not, well, yeah, there's plastic inside, pero sa ibabaw may leather. Leather din, but medyo softer siya. And then you have a parang wood lamination. And then plastic. You have a courtesy lamp here. Speakers and leather dito that kind of covers the power window controls and power side mirror and auto lock. And oh, nice. Ito, meron siyang 3 memories for memory seats for 3 users, 3 drivers. Okay, sa interior naman, well, right now nakabalot sila, no. Ayan, well protected kasi nga ginagawa ni Invetech, kinakabit nila ng PPF, just like our C-Line 6, balot na balot. Nakakatuwa kasi talagang iniingatan nila yung sasakyan mo. So, para mapakita ko sa inyo yung interior, I'll probably remove one of these na lang. Ayokong pakialaman masyado at baka mestorbo ko sila. So, tanggalin muna natin saglit. Ayan. Nice. Gusto ko pa rin yung ganitong single color lang. Call me old school, pero I like yung ganitong gray. Yeah, gray siya, di ba? Hindi siya black. Gray na single color lang. Even the stitching is gray. Well, obviously, power driver seats, recline, and then meron siyang lumbar support. Maganda. It's very elegant. Ayan. I like the leather. It's soft. Kasi di ba ibang leather medyo hard. I like the stitching here. Maganda. Perforated dito sa gitna. And then also here. I think may ano to. I think ventilated seats din to. And look at that. Look at the steering wheel. Ito yung classic. Ito yung macho. Ito yung Land Cruiser. Bago tayo sumakay, ito yung lagi kong binabanggit, ano? Just like my Everest, talagang malaki, malapad yung step board where you can step on confidently. Okay? So sana lahat ng Toyota ganito nilalagay yung step board. So pag-upo mo dito sa driver's side, sa driver's seat, mapapansin mo to para kang umupo sa sabi ni Madam Pea, parang transformer daw. Yeah, para kang sumakay sa eroplano and you are in command of a cockpit. Feeling mo you are in command of something exotic, something sophisticated. Yun ang feeling ko dito. And tingnan mo to. Yes, I know, mga EV ngayon, halos wala na to, di mo na pinaliit na ng pinaliit. Yung Seagull nga, pinipindot na lang dito sa gilid. Pero eto, gusto ko pa rin makakita ng cambio. Parang siya pa rin ang bida dito. Huwag muna natin pag-usapan ng EV. Kasi, guys, this is Land Cruiser. Yung mga ka-age bracket ko dyan, I'm sure, kayo lang nakaka-relate sa akin when I say this is Land Cruiser. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Look at that. So, piano key, tawag ba dito? Sa mga controls niya. So, volume, power, map, menu, audio, blah, blah, blah. Audio controls. Uy, talaga? Meron pa siyang CD. And then, ayan, drive mode. This is your, malamang, terrain management, mode selector. Kung anong 4x4 settings ang gusto mo depending on the terrain that you will be driving on. And then, ayan, nice, meron siyang differential lock. So again, guys, there are two variants of the Land Cruiser 300, the LC300 here in the Philippines, yung VX tsaka yung ZX. Yung CX, which is this one, siya yung may differential lock. Okay? Tapos ayan, electronic na rin yung sa 4x4 selection niya. If you want high speed 4 wheels, low speed 4. So nandito yung napakalaking engine start stop button, and medyo ang lalaki ng aircon vent, bagay sa laki ng sasakyan. Yeah, here you go. Ayan, meron siyang ventilation, aircon. No, this is for heater. And ito for the aircon. And this is your temperature control, auto. So dual siya, driver and passenger. Ventilated din sa side, ventilation and heating and ventilation din sa passenger side. What else? Oh, JBL ang sound system. And what's this? Wireless charger. Yes, wireless charger. And then meron kang USB doon, USB port, and then I think there's another one. Yes, may USB-C dito sa ilalim. Electronic parking brake, auto hold. Nice leather for the neck of the shifter. Back then, big deal to sa amin, mga kapanahonan namin. Ang ganda kapag ka naka-leather ka dito. And then you have big cup holders. 2 level siya. So kung may malaki kang tumbler, ito, this is deeper. Ito medyo mababaw. Nice, I like it. And then may leather ka dito sa gilid, both sides. You have aluminum accent. And then to open this huge center console box, ayan, pipindutin mo to. One big opening, very deep na storage. It looks like may cooler siya. Ayan, no? May vent. Hindi ko na papakilaman, pero yeah, the way I look at it, mukhang may cooler siya dito. Oh yeah, it says here, cool box. So, sliding tray. Dito sa likod, there's another button. Pag pinindot mo, ayan. Ayan. Pwede rin buksan. So, yung passenger mo, pwede kang pakialaman. Oh, even the wife can open it. Yung passenger side. Oh, it opens on both sides. Akala ko mag-open pa siya in the middle eh. Wala na pala. Ang laki ng steering wheel. Leather. Tapos may parang wood accent. Then your Toyota logo. And ayan. Controls for the voice call. Ayan, sa phone. And then here, ano to? Cruise control. Yep. And it looks like this is adaptive cruise control. Ayan, different modes. Ganda. Kailan ko kaya madadrive to? And then there's your giant glove compartment. Grabe, ang luwag. And then meron ka ditong sunroof with manual shade. Ayan. Black or gray headliner. Ganda. Tingnan natin. Sun visor. Nice. With LED. Kabilang side, the same. Nice. And then, ito yung controls mo for the indoor lamp and for the sunroof. Meron kang dalawang LED dito. Ayan. Okay, pasok naman tayo dito sa second row. Ayan. Again, balot na balot ng Invitec. Kasi nga ginagawa nila. Ganon kaalaga si Invitec sa sasakyan. I like that. Okay. So meron pala siyang tunnel dito. Well, yeah, this is a 4x4. So may drive shaft dyan or propeller. You have 2 speakers. So meron ka ditong JBL, Twitter, tapos meron kang main speakers dito. Para kang may secondary dashboard, ano? Kasi typically, yung mga gumagamit ng mga Land Cruiser, yung mga boss nakaupo sa likod. So, dapat meron din silang controls dito. So, yeah, you have 2 aircon vents here. Tapos, ayan, heated, ventilated and heated seats din dito. 2 separate controls. And then, meron ka ditong, airflow direction. So, pwedeng ito, diretso sa front. And then, meron siyang vent dito sa baba. Ayan. Papunta sa paa. Nice. So this is the third row. Ang luwag oh, ang laki. So currently the seats are folded. I think it's powered or automated. Subukan natin. Oops. You have to press it pala hanggang mag-open. Yun. Nice. Now, tingnan natin kung gaano kaluwag sa loob. Wow. Look at that. Parang dalawang kasing laki ko can sit there comfortably eh. Ang luwag-luwag oh. Ito pala, meron din siyang control. Ayan. Ayos. And then here on the left side, you have a power supply. 220, maximum of 100 watts. Yan. Oh, iba yung plug niya. Round yung plug niya. These are huge wheels. The size is 265, 55, 20. Well, actually, halos kasing size pala ng ng gulong ko dati dun sa Ford Everest ko. And naka-disc brace na rin siya all around. And this one is wrapped with Bridgestone Dweller. Pero stock tires lang yan eh. Look at the fender, the wheel well. Ang laki. So pwede pa ito mag-accommodate ng much bigger wheels. So this is the pearl white color, Ang kinis. Parang pag tinignan mo yung color, Parang walang pinagbago, parang stock lang siya. Pero guys, meron na tong Invitec paint protection film. Ayan. Kaka-install lang and it's currently on curing period pa niya. Pero tinan mo, parang walang nangyari. Ang linis ng pagkaka-install. Right? So pinapatuyo pa to. Tingnan mo yung gloss, yung kintab. Ganda. Silipin natin yung mga fold ng PPF kung magandang pagkakagawa. Ganda ng lapat. About on this side. Nice. Okay guys, that's it. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating quick review of the LC300. Quick lang kasi actually parang ina-ambush ko lang siya eh. So, by accident lang na nagkita kami dito sa Invitec. Itong kumpare ko, hindi nagkukwento sa akin eh. Pareho kami mag-isip. So we were really trying to look for a shop that can install the PPF correctly, accurately, nicely, na talagang pulido. Kasi yung PPF, ang ano talaga dyan, yung pag-install eh, kailangan trained yung mga tao. You should really go to a trusted shop. And etong kumpare ko, ano din to eh, metikuloso din to eh, katulad ko. Honestly, hindi kami nag-usap. Tapos nagulat na lang ako na dito pala sa kanya. Kahit naman ako, well, Land Cruiser to ah. Ako nga, Sea Lion 6 lang. Magkano presyo nito? Times 3 ng Sea Lion 6, di ba? So, and eto, pareho kami ng desisyon. Pareho kaming nagtiwala dito sa Invitec. Ganda. Ano pa to? Lalapat pa to kasi kaka-install lang. Curing period pa to today. And yeah, pareho kaming mag-observe kung how this Invitec PPF will perform. But so far, the way the film is installed, I'm impressed. I like it. And tomorrow pa niya ito makukuha ako na today. Okay? So anyway, Land Cruiser 300. Finally, nakaupo din ako sa loob. Nakita ko yung engine niya. Nag-enjoy ako sa pagre-review. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. And yeah, Merry Christmas. As always, drive safe. Bye.
Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.